The movie Bhag Milkha Bhag is really moving fast as flying Sikh Milkha Singh is running in the film. Film is awesomely, non-linearly progressing with adoption of present day and you were there method of visual articulation that enlivens India's partition and India after independence in 60s when Milkha was glistening as a towering persona in athlete world. The 400-meter run unfolds the entire biopic story of Milkha Singh in cinematic run. Film title Bhag Milkha Bhag has connotation for the film. It throws the meaning of racing on running track and running for life from the place where his entire family was butchered by rioters during partition of India. So title connects the content of film intelligently. Farhan Akhtar as Milkha Singh has aesthetically and meticulously performed as Milkha as if 1960s Milkha has become alive on a screen, holding you, involving you, pulling you, fascinating you, loving you, crying you, saddening you. This is the real power of this film. Director Rakesh Omprakash Mehra has got brilliant script from lyricist Prasoon Joshi. This is maiden script of Prasoon Joshi. Great hats up to Prasoon who has given a heartfelt bound script to director Rakesh Omprakash Mehra who has done wonderful work as a director to capture all emotions of all characters in his well-composed frames. You will get a stint to see Bollywood and South Indian villain Prakash Raj in the role of a military officer who keeps instructing new recruits in drill, but his role is here more laughing stuff that will make you laugh. Sonam Kapoor has performed a young Punjabi girl opposite to Milkha Singh as his love muse. Her role is small but profounding. She leaves her romantic presence in film in short span of time. Pawan Malhotra is awesome in oozing out his Punjabi coach character that dances him when Milkha wins. His dance is so spontaneous and aesthetic on lens that creates eye-catching scene. Erstwhile cricketer Yogaraj Singh gives young Milkha a world-class training and a ton of enthusiasm to win the race in limited resources. Dilip Tahil looks real Jawaharlal Nehru. Art Malik is awesome in delivering his character as father of Milkha Singh who orders kid Milkha painfully to flee from the sight of rioters at very painful moment of partition of India. The young Milkha sees that his father is killed while he sees him by turning back. This painful remembrance doesn't vanish away from his mind even he is grown up. In Rome Olympic, he is running far ahead of his opponents but he turns back, recollecting his father's killing. His speed is faltered by his painful recollection at his running ground. He loses. The visual depiction of this scene has been captured by Heart Machine that is nothing but magical camera. Film starts in running track while young Milkha Singh is running on running track of Rome Olympic. Very heart-wrenching event of partition of India enlivens on screen, holding the breath of audiences who are stunned to see this startling transition to bloody mayhem. This would keep creeping in grown-up in his persona and that's why he refuses to partake of athletic tournament in Pakistan. He also refuses Nehruji, first Prime Minister of India. But he doesn't ignore his master who has helped him to make a wonderful athletes and Milkha Singh had won a series of national and international awards and accolades. Pawan Malhotra as Gurudev Singh as Milkha's coach has been engaged to make Milkha ready to participate in athletic competition in Pakistan. Gurudev Singh and present deputed coach Yogaraj Singh as Ranveer Singh both sit in train at Delhi for Chandigarh where Milkha Singh dwells. Train starts running and film starts progressing into flashback of making Milkha Singh a top from rugged kid Milkha who is happily living with his father, mother, sister in a state of unified India. Kid Milkha Singh is a lovable in his family. He also loves his parents and sister Divya Datta as Isri Kaur who is young and married. Isri Kaur is kid's emotional support and Biro tracks Milkha onto right path from stealing an abandoned life. Young Milkha then joins military for his love lady Biro. Master Japtesh Singh as kid Milkha Singh has done her share of roles so touchy and catchy that keeps audiences in surprising. His share of role is very complex and Master Japtesh melds it into cine character as a big actor. Flashback is full of meticulous scenes of his making, loving with Sonam Kapoor at Biro, his frustration, anger, sudden isolation from his love, first flying in aeroplane to Australia for racing competition, falling in romantic lust of an Australian hot young girl, Rebecca Breeds, as Estella and zenith of success. Flashback gets hampered by train that destines to Chandigarh. Mind-blowing screenplay has logically been fashioned and camera marvels it splendidly by great cinematographer Vinod Pradhan. Milkha Singh goes with heavy heart to Pakistan, but in penultimate day of competition, he is galloping on a horse towards his village and gruesome past intervenes on a screen. He sees his ruptured place and it makes him cry. A child comes and solaces him and he turns to be son of his childhood friend brought up by a local Muslim in Pakistan. Milkha Singh wins the race and wins the accolades from the people of both countries. Pakistan Chief in Army conferred upon Milkha Singh a title, the Flying Sikh. Art Malik, as father of Milkha Singh, has oozed out his acting as Sardar, so vivacious, energetic that stops your breath. Awesome. Pakistani heroine Misha Shafi as young Parizad holds a screen for a while. Farhan Akhtar's natural depiction of Milkha Singh is so praiseworthy as if real Milkha Singh appears before audiences on silken celluloid. Matchless deliverance, no word to admire him. Background soundtrack and song music both are enthralling and moving the scenes. All departments of film Bhag Milkha Bhag have awesomely and actively delivered their jobs. Rakesh Omprakash Mehra is a living legend director from this film onward. I offer oceanic amount of respect and salute to director Mr. Rakesh Omprakash Mehra, who has given wonderful, flawless and involving film to audiences, Indian and world cinema. Despite its long duration, film connects and interacts the audiences. Audience must flock to theatres, otherwise they will miss a masterpiece film. Government of India must officially announce about these films to be the part of Oscar.